guys and welcome to my channel Mariam Marie. So today I am back with a video which I had shot quite a long time back and I never uploaded it. So without wasting time, let's get on to my current obsessions. The very first category which I'm going to be sharing about is music. Now this quarantine, particularly these few months, I have been really into music and discovering new artists every single day. So the very first thing that I'm going to be recommending under music is an app that is Spotify. And Spotify is like one of the most used apps on my phone where I create playlists and stuff, and I'm really new to playlists, so I'm not that kind of a pro in making playlists, which I like to listen to whenever I'm studying or whenever I'm editing or stuff. So yeah, also there is a playlist which I have not created, but there is also already existing that is known as Lo-Fi. So yeah, it's really good. You should try it out. Tell me if you guys like it or not. One more thing which I wanted to share, I guess it comes under music, I don't know, is the Amazon Alexa. I had got this around a year back and this is really cool. I know, I love this. I have been using it for, while cleaning, while working out, while studying. This actually makes my day. Talking about the next category, that is known as podcast. Now, I never knew that I would be like a podcast type of a girl. I didn't like the concept of podcast, but now I love them with all my heart. So I have 3 recommendations for my podcasts, and the first one is Pretty Basic by Alicia Marie and Miss Remy Ashton. They are the one of the OG creators of YouTube. They have been on the platform for like 12 years, so they know everything about YouTube. So they share drama, they share their success stories, the things that they have witnessed, YouTube and Instagram, social media, drama and stuff. The very second recommendation that I have is Uncut Kritika, which is by an Indian influencer called Kritika Khurana, or That Boho Girl. She talks about topics like procrastination, productivity, also shares her a day, her productivity, which is really great to listen to. And the very last thing which I have for you guys is Teenage Therapy. This is not an Indian one. It's all about teenagers like us. I can relate to it really very well. If you like it, if you don't, tell me. If you like it, tell me. Yeah. Now we're going to move on to the next category that are known as apps. So I'm going to be telling you all these apps which I have been using a lot. So the very first thing I'm going to be recommending is Duolingo, I guess. Duolingo is an application which actually helps you to learn any language that you want. I'm learning Korean on it because I want to learn Korean, so I'm learning Korean on it, and it's really good. You just have to take 5 minutes out of it and you are done. You can learn. Yeah. The very next app that I have is PicsArt, because I have been editing a lot of my videos, photos on PicsArt. So yeah, it's really good. Now the third and the last app which I want to recommend is called as Snow. Now this is an app which I came across recently while I was editing something, and this actually gives you a lot of effects and photos and stuff. So yeah, if you've not checked out my Instagram reel, go ahead and check it out. Yeah, because that is also edited a little on Snow. The very next category is called Hair Care. Now I have been really loving my hair these days because I have been taking care of them much more than I used to. So the very first thing that I have is the Mamaearth Onion Hair Mask, and I have recommended this and showed you this in like one of my hauls, I guess. It did not work on my mom because she has like really curly hair, but it worked on me. So yeah, that's a thing that you need to see about. Then under shampoo, I'm going to recommend again the Mamaearth Onion Shampoo. This is really good and this works very well on my hair. I have the Wow Skin Science Hair Conditioner. This makes your hair really soft. Yeah. So it is the organic virgin coconut oil plus avocado oil one. Now we're going to move on to the next one that is known as skincare. So I actually have my skincare which is recommended by my dermat. The first thing that I'm going to show you is a cleanser. Now I never use cleanser in my entire life, so this is a recent purchase. This is a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and this works like magic. If you're somewhere around like the sensitive skin type like me, you should go for the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. Everyone in India has owned this at least once in their life, and that is the Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. It's really, really good. Whoa! There was a transition here. Okay, I know it was quite silly, but it was actually because of the fact that the previous clip which I shooted was completely out of focus, so that is why I had to shoot it again. This Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash is really good for any kind of skin type. It is really, really beneficial, and also it helps to remove any kind of pimples that you have. So it is a very good and investment, and it is only for like 120 rupees for this big bottle. You won't have to invest in any other expensive face washes. Now talking about makeup. So first thing that I want to show you is this blush. This is a Maybelline Fit Me blush. It is in the shade Coral, and this is a very, very pretty blush. I'm applying it right now too, and this is actually gives a very nice flush to the cheeks. Now talking about the next two products under makeup itself, you always need one lip balm and a lip gloss. And if you want to create like that extra glossy look, you don't need to invest in all those expensive lip plumpers and stuff. Instead, you can use this simple hack, that is, you just need to apply some lip balm to create just a layer, and then you have to take your favorite lip gloss and just put a layer over it, and this will create that extra glossy finish and give you the perfect glossy lip plumping effect. The next category is known as stationery. Everybody should have a planner. I know this year hasn't been the best, but it can still be your year if you write down the night before what all plans do you have for the day. I have also observed that, writing down things makes it much more easier to do rather than, memorizing them. I'm going to link a 2020 planner in the description so that you can check it out. 2021 will definitely be a year if 2020 isn't. You should always have these like notebooks with you where you can write down all these ideas and study things and stuff. But there's a twist. You can get these notebooks like everywhere. So rather than that, you can, customize these notebooks only into something different and something cute. Now another thing that I have is this Classmate Octane Color Burst 10 Exciting Gel Pen colors, and these are like amazing. First of all, these are gel pens, so they are pretty smooth. I do not have all the colors because I have finished the pack completely. Now talking about the last and final thing, that is entertainment. Under Netflix, first is like the K-drama recommendations. You can definitely try K-drama, C-dramas. They are very, very cute. So I have a list of recommendations. Also, I'm going to be listing them right here. So some of them are Stronggle Boksoon, Weightlifting Kim Bok Jo, My ID Gangnam Beauty, that is also really cool. Then a little thing called First Love. This is a very like childish drama, but it's really cute. Accidentally in Love is really cool. Then A Crash Landing on You is good. I have actually watched a lot of K-dramas. I'm going to list them down here. Yeah, so these are all my K-drama recommendations. Now talking about series, I haven't watched like any of the hyped series. I have watched Friends. Yeah, I have watched that. That is like love. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. These were all my current obsessions, that you can get your hands on it too, and I'll see you very, very soon. So bye bye.